Welcome to SQL Learning. Today we will talk about the different ways to create the table in SQL. The generic way is creating the table by using the create statement. This is the generic way to create the table. Apart from this approach, the different methods we will discuss today. The first method is creating the table with data by using some base tables. And the second method is creating the table without any data. And the third method is creating the table with some specific filter. So let's go to the SQL Server. This is my base table. TBL is my table name. Here I see two columns, ID and name, and the total number of records are 4. So for creating the new table, I can use select into statement. Basically, this select into statement will create the new table and also insert the rows into that new particular table. So select star into. Here I want two columns from my base table. From my base table. TBL is my table name. In that TBL, I could see 4 records. Those 4 records with 2 columns, all the columns, I need it in my new table. That table is TBL copy. Let's run this particular query. The table is created with 4 rows. Let's check the data with data. TBL underscore copy. You created the new table and you could see all the columns and also all the data. Now the second approach is creating the table without data, right? So for that, I can use some false condition in my where class. So here what I will do is I will add some false condition 1 equals to 2. If you have any doubts, you can run on top of your base table. For example, if I run this particular condition, you will see 0 records. I am running this query on top of my base table. You will see 0 records because 1 equals to 2 always false, right? It is a false statement. So due to that reason, you are seeing 0 records. So I'm creating my new table with some dummy records. Means without data, you are creating your TBL underscore copy 1. So 0 rows are affected. So in the new table, TBL underscore copy 1, you won't see any data. The table is created, but there is no data. This is the second method. The third method is creating the table for specific records. For example, in my new table, I need only ID equals to 1 record. Okay, ID equals to 1 record. If I add that condition on my base table, you will see only 1 record. That record only I need it in my new table. The new table is tbl underscore copy to and add that specific filter. You will see only 1 record. This is for filter, right? By adding specific filter. The table name is copy to. You will see only 1 record. So we covered 3 cases: with data, without data, and adding some specific filter. So we covered these 3 cases. We created one table with data, and we created one more table without data, and we created one more table by adding specific filter. So thank you for watching this video.